Tom's Harley was running smoothly, and now it was time for him to finish off the Sol Invictus he had been building for Emma so she could get on the bike for a test ride. Gilroy's a special breed. He treats building bikes like creating art. Emma Mcferran is also a special breed, and she treats all bikes like they're meant to be ridden.
Trying to hand?
I should be alright.
Yeah, I mean,
crash it within the first 2 seconds.
I guess it's good that we're testing now, so we can maybe chuck some more knobbier tyres on it.
If we're doing beach ride and off-road, they fill up straight away.
I think we're gonna have to stiffen up the front suspension a touch, because you're like, even just coming down these hills, it's starting to like bottom, and you're not like, this is a tough riding track, but if you were jumping, it's gonna be
straight out.
Yeah, I'll put some more preload in the front for you. Like I might put like a 10 mil preload in there, and then we'll just test it again one day.
Yeah, otherwise I'd say everything else is, like, I'm happy with it.